ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI. It is trained on a diverse range of internet text and is capable of generating human-like text in response to a given prompt. It can be used for a variety of natural language processing tasks, such as language translation, text summarization, and question answering. Let's see what we can do with ChatGPT. Content writing using ChatGPT. Open Google and type OpenAI login. Then sign in using Google account. You are good to go. I want one script for YouTube video on quiz. Type your question. Has given an ultimate response. Now I want the report of the same. You have to write your text very specific for the best response. Let's try press note on quiz. It has generated a proper report. I just need to fill the template. It saved lot of time. Now let's try solving some maths problem. It has given a solution. The best part is it always gives explanation also. Unbelievable. Let's try asking some physics question. Now let's try some tricky task. Let's ask ChatGPT to write a contract for pwned employee. Let's check its other capabilities. Let's ask ChatGPT to write a poem on Children's Day. Let's ask ChatGPT to write an invitation for annual cultural day. After checking all features, I must say it's the best. Though it's a artificial intelligence, you must check the content and edit accordingly. In the next video I will cover how ChatGPT can be used by programmers. Thanks for watching.